Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm. I'm the president and founder of Rahm Thomas University and the chief formulator at the Root Brands. I've done a lot of things in my career to really help provide solutions for the world. I want to talk today about one of the classes I'll be teaching at Rahm Thomas University, as well as one of the patents that will be included in the class. I'm teaching on nano-emulsions and micro-emulsions and how to develop those through different manufacturing methods. This is a process that I learned at Harvard University and also Cornell and other universities that I've attended throughout the world. But I also put my own spin on it, which is why I developed patents and trade secrets around it. I want to read to you guys a little bit about that today, so you know some of this information so that you can join me in learning even more and participating as we evolve as a species and become better human beings through nutrition, through supplements and natural ways, as well as pharmaceuticals. See, I worked in pharmaceuticals throughout my life, and now we have our own pharmaceutical company called Rahm Pharmaceuticals. But I believe in starting with nutraceuticals and supplements and natural cures first, not claiming that we will solve everything or cure anything, but so we can get to the root of the cause. So nano-emulsions are tiny droplet-sized and kinetically stable colloidal systems. I was able to basically use a cold-pressed nano-emulsion process that I developed to really help what I am doing in the nutraceutical and pharmaceutical industry, as well as what I'm doing, honestly, with animals and skincare and also cosmetics. See, if you can develop different types of methods that use micro or nano size, and you can do it in a natural way using energy and polarization and using different types of heating and freezing, you're able to make things more bioavailable, more efficacious, and you're able to make them safe. So I use different silicas and glutathione and orthosilic acids, as well as lots of ions and vitamins and minerals to really help in this process. And I have included this in multiple formulations that I did at the Root Brands, Bill & Q, and Ella Pure. I took part of the process from the different patents and incorporated it in as a trade secret so that we would be able to have better bioavailability into all the formulas that we have. Now I want to teach this method to other people so we can even come up with further advancements. I used ultrasounds and supercritical fluids as well to improve and shorten the extraction time. I'll be teaching this so people can understand how they can do it when they formulate products and how we can develop a better future together. Thank you so much. I hope you have a good day, and I look forward to working with all of you.